Oh, what the fuck? Bro? Like, what the fuck is this?
My bad, bro. My bad, bro.
What the fuck? Check that on the team. Just putting it up, yeah.
Alright, chill. You're gonna get slam again. We're doing SMG, okay? My but after. Get one in, and then we go final.
Kenzo, who invite me to a party chat? Let me try. Suma! Wait, Suma, I'm 1v1 somebody on Call of Duty. Wait, I joined back, okay? Yes, that lucky. That lucky Kosraean Wild.
Man,
Game sila you know, boy. Kosraean Wild and mana pa yeah. Kaya nag Call of Duty ito. Eh, so Australia, Mexico, New Zealand. Talik Australia, New Zealand, Mexico.
Oh, mamma tao shiit. Den download yan mi kom shiit el.
Hey, lem sige di, sige search sige YouTube ke. Yo, you know be. Tagaan games in real life. And in real life, kung ikaw yung likas kaya mo siya, plate yun, lati mi siya bita. Ay, lit kaya. Sige search sige YouTube ke. Yo, you know be. Mape forest walap. Ngan mo chak walap. Yok na ba sa akin? Atin force na pa iya.
Yep, I'm gonna download it, and then I'm gonna slam you this one.
Alright. They get custom. Alright. Hey son! Ay, kaya nga dalawa yung get partners nila. Our us.
Yeah.
Come. Yes, son. Hindi sa umiyalo. Battle.
I'm doing good.
Battle lagi gini. Namazo. Wake up, the guy hit me like you're gonna mean it. Excuse me, sir.
Kaya. Lost na ba eh.
May lost on.
Traffic so.
Yeah, fix that shit, man.
Wait, sorry.
That's all, man. That's all you do. You play like a loser, you're gonna be a loser. Hey, yo, that's what you wanna do to me today, motherfucker.
Hey, bro, come on, let's go. Don't be a slammer, bro.
No, you using the guns that is fully upgraded, bro. What the fuck?
What gun are you using?
An SMG like you asked for.
Hey man, I'm using an SMG too.
I know. What the fuck are you? Suck, bro! Right in front of your face, bro. Like side to side and kill your ass. Kill me? Oh, that would be crazy if I kill you, bro. Nigga, he hide and die, bro. What the fuck is that? Oh my god, bro. You know these chutneys.
Apoio que slamas.
Slammer.
Oh my god, how the fuck did I not see you?
Too fast, nigga. You cannot see shit. Try to make me find you, bro. Oh my god. He's a hiding machine. He's a hiding machine. You gotta get better like that, man. I'm telling you, bro. He's a hiding machine.
Remember, you go.
Yeah, right, nigga. I was in the middle the whole damn time, nigga.
I was fucking running in the middle the whole time. What you mean? That's fucking cap, bro. Stop capping, dog. No, bro, you cap, bro.
That's it, man. You don't want to lose. That's it.
Bro, you capping, dog.
Oh my god, bro. He's right there. Give me that shit. Oh my god. You suck as
Capping, bro.
I swear to God, you suck. You just want to piss me off with that suck ass shit you got. You know what? I gotta use stun and grenade. This nigga keep hiding me back there. Let me finish your stupid ass. Wait, let me put it. Let me finish the suck.
Hey, why you capping, dog?
Yeah, you suck as fuck, dude. The first host I ever scored points. Hiding like a bitch. This guy like a bitch. Dude, you suck as fuck, bro. No skills, nothing, bro. What am I challenging? Nothing, bro, nothing.
You were just sitting there.
Nigga just hide. And expect me to come find him, bro. What a sorry ass nigga right here, bro. Hey, he almost died. I swear to God, he almost died, bro. Come
Not
over
even,
here.
bro.
Go over here. You're gonna get stunned and you're gonna get finished. This nigga suck as fuck. Oh my god, nigga, you suck, bro. Yo, why you keep hiding, bro? You a suckest nigga ever, bro. Alright, you know what? I'm just gonna stay on my building and see how boring you play. This how we gonna play. You ain't gonna kill me, bro. We just gonna play like you, man. Fuck out of here.
Ah, this guy walling. Oh, okay,
We're just
okay.
gonna
Shadow,
play like
shadow.
you. Suck, nigga. That's how you gonna get beat. I don't play like you, bro. Play like a suck ass player.
Man, man dyan ngayon.
Yeah, I play like you. I play suck ass nigga bullshit, bro. Right.
Man, yan, man sa ngayon.
Uy, kami mga dito low man, bro.
Ayun, man sa ngayon.
Come and get it, bro. Oh, fuck! Let me guys go, bro. I fall for it down low, man. Oh, no. Oh, no. I need steam. Come on, little Terminator. Woo! Oh, what the fuck? Sit the fuck down. This. Oh my god, niggas suck.
What, bro?
What's up, though, man? Yo, you suck as fuck.
What you mean? You getting slamos, dog.
You cannot even run me over. You gotta hype in order to kill me, man. Like, look at you, bro. What are you trying to do over there, bro? Stop running away, please. Yo, you got
Oh my gosh.
Oh, you're using a different gun, bro. I might as well use my
Not the gun, it's the player.
Man, you suck as fuck, nigga. Shut the fuck up. You piss me off. You suck as a motherfucker.
Bro,
You play like a
you better than
bitch. You
that.
hide on the corner every time. Like, you ain't got shit.
Come on, bro.
You really ain't got shit, man.
I think so.
You don't have to stop and go, bro. You have to go more.
Alright, laugh it out.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna laugh it out. Suck as fuck, bro. Kenzo, why you keeping fighting? You better chill the fuck out.
Don't try me with assault rifle, bro. Don't even try.
Wykle na sam. Wykle na gundat nga.
You wanna use assault? You let me know.
Get the fuck up. You suck
So
at assault. Look at you. You
assault as the... Oh.
Oh, I know your skills now. You a hiding ass speech. Yep, you a hiding ass speech. Yeah, I wanna kill you again right now, bro. Where are you at? Thank you very much. Oh!
Don't try me, dog. Don't even try.
Nigga, you suck. Nigga, don't try me. You let me survive? You let me survive? Better watch out. No! Nigga, keep hiding over there.
Watch out, what, bro?
Nigga, change hiding spot. Shut the fuck up and hide, nigga. No! You a bitch, bro.
Come on, bro.
I have to look for you every time, bro. You're not gonna be in the middle. That's fucked up. And there he goes, the fucking rat.
I don't know what you're talking about, bro.
It's okay, everybody knows you suck.
Movement for what? Nothing, bro.
Yeah, I'm gonna die move. Like, you ate the whole motherfucking match. Who the fuck wanna play with a sucker like you?
Say, alright, I'm over here.
Yeah, fuck you, bro.
You say, alright, I'm over here.
Watch.
Behind you. Don't come back, bro. Don't challenge that. I don't know how would you challenge that.
I think you never move.
Ouch.
I got something, bro. Shut the fuck up and suck our wine dick. And you miss. What the fuck is this, bro? There you go. Takaina.
Ay, Slammers again, brother.
It's okay, bro. I don't want to play with you no more, because you play like a bitch. And the chat know about it.
Slammers, my brother.
So I ain't tripping. You cannot even challenge me, bro. You gotta hide, bro. That's the crazy
challenge.
part.
I pushed you and you were hiding with the
You
RPG.
cannot push me, nigga.
Oh.
Why you always lying, bro?
Yeah, run inside, boy. Can you use pistol?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, I don't want to use pistol. I want to use sniper. You cannot kill me with that pistol, bro.
Yeah.
No damn mother. My secret. I left it outside again. Actually get along the long man. Go get scared. Go.
I mean, why you scared,
Go
bro?
get scared. Come see the Sharon daughter. Look at you hide
Oh,
the
bro,
whole
you
time. Put
scared.
sniper time.
Don't challenge
Please
me
stop
again, my dog.
hiding, please.
Never.
Please stop
Never
hiding.
again, bro.
Why you thought you're good?
Never again. Never, ever again.
Oh, okay. Never mind. I'm gonna join
Stay
Bravo.
there and know your laugh, okay?
Okay, thank you, suck nigga.
Right.
YouTube, you see this nigga? He thought he's good, huh? Everybody know.
Stay there and know where you at. Don't challenge the big dogs.
All right, small dick nigga. I know you got that.
Some Reaper.
No, thank you. I'm playing Search and Destroy with
Hey, come
five of
on.
my friends. You go play
Hey, I'm
with
some search.
yourself with Louis, okay? Listen, go inside. There's a powder. I don't want you to smell it. It's from the tree. Make you sick.
I probably got one more game in me, man. I gotta get off of here.
Alright, let me know, because I have a couple friends I want to play.
Alright, that's bingo, because I just got it.
We're gonna win this one though. We're gonna go out with a bang.
Yeah, definitely. I'm here. Sport.
Damn. Didn't even get a chance.
A chance for what?
To decide.
Oh, your next layout? Load up. Oh.
There's one up there with you. I didn't know.
Bro,
See
where
who
did
that
he
was.
get me? Underdog,
There
where
you
was
go.
he at?
Bombs on me.
He's over there.
Got him.
One fugitive remains. Terminate with extreme prejudice.
Nah. He went down.
Copy that.
A. He went down A.
Bombs right there. So.
I know, but he went down A. Because he saw the other guy. He's probably gonna go to your right spawn. He's probably gonna come right spawn. That's just me.
I got it. Tango dead like a motherfucker.
Damn. He killed the Wizard of COD.
Oh shit, I never
I'ma go A.
realized this nest. Fuck, I'm sorry.
Let's go A. I'm gonna go A. He's stairs. Spiral. I was fucking planting the bomb. Bomb's at A.
He didn't say where. He's in the stairway.
I said A. Yeah, that's what I said. Spiral.
Stairway. Oh, he's in the
That's spiral.
The fuck?
Dude,
Sorry,
this one
Nez.
person
Yeah,
is gonna get us off.
the stairs is spiral.
Alright, this isn't stairs. Sometimes, you know, you trip.
Downstairs, A site.
No, he's
there's
up
spiral
stuff.
stairs.
Well, if
There's
you're
spawn
at
stairs.
A, spiral is always up.
They rotated other side.
They're right side of A.
They're downstairs A.
They're at A.
Can he not hear us? I don't know
I
what's going
cannot
on.
hear you. That's your friend? El
Yeah.
Papi. Oh!
Oh my god.
What the fuck?
He's
I don't
doing
know
him.
what the fuck my teammate just did.
They lost
What
it.
they get the hell?
Yeah, go ahead and log out, teammate.
Alright. I won't say nothing.
Why, whatever.
Where we going? Air B.
They rushed B last time. I'm gonna go A.
I'm gonna go A too. I'm gonna be on top though. Top of the house.
In the chopper.
One's upstairs our building.
God damn. They fucking me up.
Just pop through that door.
Close it down. Eliminate them.
We got 15 minutes.
15 minutes?
All right.
Look at that.
Mommy.
Your foot on the accelerator.
Swagger deck.
Back to back. We're going back to back.
Station destroyed. We have our orders. See it through.
B.
Yep, they're still on them fucking steps. Can someone go topside A down steps?
Yeah, what the fuck? Are you serious?
I told you they're at them steps.
Well, I tried to throw a grenade.
It's not gonna work. You have to go from the top. There's no way they got a good peek.
Time short. Put your
Get
head
on
down
top
and
there.
secure the target.
Teammate, get down on the steps.
That's how they're
Right side,
fucking
right
7
side,
and
right
3
side,
right
Dawson.
now.
Right.
Them steps. Dude, they got a peek. I'm telling you. I'm telling you.
No, don't do that.
Oh my god. You are so fucking lucky right now. They rotated.
Oh my god.
I can't right now.
Shotgun, bro.
Watch top A.
One fugitive remains. Terminate with extreme prejudice.
Fabuloso. Alright, Mr. Fabuloso.
This guy is going to build a Mustang.
We've taken the last 4 rounds.
Man, that's crazy.
Got you, boys. Got you.
Nice.
First match I played with that was ass fuck. Come on, boys. I got you. I'm from GDL.
Good shit.
I just need a little bit of hope. I'm like the Polar Express. If you don't believe in me, you won't hear the little bells.
Protect the objective.
Oh yeah.
You have to believe.
Come on.
Oh, there's another over there to your left, Dawson. There's one in mid at top, left side. Down there to your left. Yeah, right there on your left. They might have went A. No one's on A.
Time's nearly up. Close it down. Enemy device is set. There's only one traitor left. Eliminate them.
Where is he?
Right there, he's got him. You're good for defuse.
We're deactivating the bomb. Bomb offline. That's 5 rounds in a row.
Good stuff.
Sorry, guys.
Nah, for what?
For the donut. For the donut. Gonna get a donut.
Do not mention it.
Search and destroy.
I'm gonna go A. Alright, we're all going A.
I'm gonna
Follow
run
me.
through mid, top fucking A, and kill that person.
I'm gonna go A. I'm gonna go. Someone took it away from me. I'm still going A.
If I can fucking survive it, I should have put my other class on. Nope. Yep. I should have put my other class on.
Oh my god. The fuck
There's
am I
one
doing?
in mid. Top. One downstairs A, one in mid.
Tally, mine. PID, they're mine. KIA.
Good shit. There's another up there. He's top A building. Like tippy top upstairs.
Not much time left. Put this to bed.
He's in there. First floor.
Terminate with extreme prejudice.
Oh, god dang.
No donut,
That
my
was
boy.
close. That was so close.
I don't hide. I go for it. So
Search and destroy.
I got where should I put the? Wait, I know where to do it. Hold up.
Use of deadly force has been approved.
And 9, 8, 7, 6.
requesting LDBR.
What a bitch. Thank you.
There's only one sector left. Eliminate.
He's at their spawn.
He's in the
West
back of the
spawn
spawn.
building.
Back of their spawn.
Downstairs of that building.
Bomb's right here.
Oh, you're set.
I'm at bomb.
Hostile on foot. Time short. Put your head down and secure the target.
Right on the window, inside, bottom.
All units.
Let's go. Bro, I was 10-2. I thought I died more than that. Let's go.
GG's.
GG's.
Okay, ready.